For this word study lesson, you will need to sign onto Schoology and find the assignment you see here. Earlier today, we talked about antonyms. Antonyms are words that mean the opposite. So for today, you will be playing a game called Lotto. See here, you will have a draw pile. You also have a game board. All of these words here have an antonym in this draw pile. Let's read some of these words. Simple, dangerous, curly, kind, dim, tiny, interesting, capture, refuse, success, rare, and distant. So I'm going to do the first one for you. The first word on our card here on the draw pile is release. I know that the opposite or an antonym of release is capture. So I'm going to click and drag this card right on top of capture. As you see, a new word shows up on our draw pile. You will continue to place these blue cards on the correct spot on the game board, its antonym. When your entire game board is filled up and has a blue card on top, you may then click Submit Assignment for your teacher.